ఆపు ఆపు ఆపు
ఆపా ఆపా కంగారు ఆపినా నేను కూడా
వాళ్ళు కూడా ఆగమని కొంచెం
బ్రదర్ కూర్చోరా బయట కూర్చో బయట పైన గోడాలో రాదు బాసు
అయిపోయింది అయిపోయింది
ఇందా ఒకసారి వెనక్కి వచ్చి
రైట్ ఆగా
టిఫిన్ పెట్టే తప్ప నువ్వు వెళ్ళొచ్చు కదా రాత అవదు మా
The chairs that are allotted for you, we request all the athletes. We request all the athletes to come forward. The coach.
Look here.
Request all the PTs to bring your students to the arena of Don Bosco School CBSE. I request all the PTs to bring your students to the play.
Right. Back it up.
పర్లేనా
Hello.
CBSE March Parshalam come to the ground. Subhani sir.
Students have to come. Next, Vaira Don Bosco. Very good. Next, we have Bandlaguda. CBSE Don Bosco Bandlaguda. Are you here?
CBSE come here.
CBSE. Chirababu sir.
Gundupalli CBSE.
Sam sir.
All the PEDs of Gundupalli CBSE.
Bandlaguda.
Get ready.
School, kindly come forward. Sam sir.
PEDs of CBSE school Gundupalli.
May God.
CBSE.
Muniguda children stand here. Muniguda children, please come and stand here. NCC children, come this side. NCC children, move this side.
Yeah. Stand.
Pongalore children. Kamalagiri,
Gurundala boys.
Ada dokter yang ada bagi.
Raise the flag. Raise your hand. Gurundala CBSE. Raise your hand.
Right.
Mangalagiri Telugu Medium. Raise your hand. Mangalagiri Telugu.
all of you on this side, all of you take 100 distance, all of you take sides 100 distance, sides and red side, and all of you take 100 distance, all the children, all of you. Please, all of you take 100 distance.
Yeah, dear students, your attention please, and you come, you follow.
Shobhani sir and Fani sir. CBSE Kutupalli, Shobhani sir and Fani sir, please come.
Yes, chief guest, all the principals as they come to the stage.
And talent of our 13 Don Bosco schools across Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Orissa. The young through play, discipline, teamwork and joyful learning. And today, as they recreate step onto the field, they carry with them not only their school colors, but also the values of welcome all the principals, teachers, coaches and support staff who work tirelessly to guide our young people. This Don Bosco Inter-School Sports Meet be a memorable celebration of unity.
జనీయులకు Was it that an absolutely energetic and refreshing performance? Truly, our dancers have set all our Don Bosco institutions. Father, we request you to kindly come forward and invoke God's blessings upon today's Don Bosco Inter-School Sports Meet, upon our chief guests, our principals, teachers, students, and every athlete gathered here.
Guys, quieten your thoughts, mind. Raise your spirits to the Almighty to take control of us. Fill us with His Spirit, energy and positivity. Feel the Telangana and Odisha. Let us prayerfully listen to God's word for us. A short reading taken from the New Testament of the Bible, from the letter to the Romans.
Therefore, brothers and sisters, by the mercies of God, to present your bodies as a living sacrifice, holy and acceptable to God, which is your spiritual worship. Do not be conformed to this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your minds, so that you may discern what is the will of God, what is good and acceptable and perfect. For by the grace given to me, I say to everyone among you not to think of yourself more highly than you ought to think, but to think with sober judgment, each according to the measure of faith that God has assigned. This is the word of God.
Forgive us
Forgive us
our trespasses
our trespasses
as we forgive,
as we forgive,
and lead us not into temptation,
and lead us not into temptation,
but deliver us.
but deliver us.
Good morning to all of you. Respected Father Vice Provincial, Father Kishore, principals of various schools, members of the staff, the referees of this function who have come from Acharya Nagarjuna University, members of the staff of all our schools, dear students, and all well-wishers. It is my pleasant duty to welcome all of you to this grand sports event of our provincial schools. First, I extend a special welcome to the chief guest of this function, Father Kishore. Every year, our students in various schools raise their bar with enthusiasm and participation in march past, drills, and other competitions. Their dedication during the weeks of training is clear today, and whether they win or lose, they gain experiences that help them to grow stronger and more focused. Together, let us make this sports day a celebration of unity, integrity, and boundless energy that defines the spirit of our schools. Let the competitions begin, and may this day mark another wonderful chapter in the history of our schools. The most important thing in games is not to win, but to take part. The important thing in life is not the triumph, but the struggle. The essential thing is not to have conquered, but to have fought well. With these words, I welcome everyone to this sports competition. Thank you.
Kindly be seated. Dear friends, it is my proud privilege to welcome to our midst Reverend Father Darlapati Michael Kishore, the Vice Provincial, who is the chief guest for today's program. I now call upon Father V.M. George, the Rector, to felicitate the chief guest with a shawl. We also invite the teachers to present to him a Kondapalli Bomma, which is the symbol of the art culture of Vijayawada. It is also with much Father V.M. George, the rector of this institution, to receive the honors from us. May I now call upon Father Bhaskar to present a shawl around Father V.M. George, the rector of this institution. He has done much for this, and it is apt that we felicitate him and appreciate him. Our teachers are here to present to him a Kondapalli Bomma. It is also my joy to welcome once again all the principals who are on the Nagarjuna University officials. Let's give them a big round of applause and appreciate them. So one of the persons, Mr. Vin, he is a research scholar in Acharya Nagarjuna University. can offer our appreciation. Once again, hearty.
మనకు మనం చేస్తున్నాం మన గ్రౌండ్ మంది బయట వచ్చేయండి
Your attention.
ఫాదర్
Thank you, Father. Gratitude is the sweetest melody of the heart. And this morning, we pause to thank God. Whose vision continues to guide and inspire every Don Bosco.
క్లాస్ డైరెక్ట్గా వేసుకోవాలి బాగుంటుంది
చేసినా రాదు ఇంతకన్నా
నాకైతే బ్రహ్మాండంగా ఉంది సార్
The moment of pride, discipline, and unity. Here comes the athletes from 13 Don Bosco schools in their grand march past.
Let's cheer them on as they march forward with heads held high and hearts filled with Bosco spirit.
వాళ్ళతో పాటు వచ్చి
torch. Representatives from each school will now come forward to carry the Olympic torch, which is the spirit of victory and fair play.
వెళ్ళు. ఓకేనా? ఓకే, అది ఓకే. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
The athletes of Don Bosco School
The athletes of Don Bosco School
pledge
pledge
to uphold
the
spirit of true sportsmanship. We promise
We promise
to participate
to participate
in all events
with honesty,
integrity,
and discipline.
We shall respect
We shall respect
our opponents
our opponents
and abide by the rules.
by the rules.
For victory
For victory
has no meaning
has no meaning
without honor.
without honor.
We shall compete
We shall compete
with courage
with courage
and enthusiasm.
and enthusiasm.
Accept success
Accept success
with humility
with humility
and failure
and failure
with grace.
with grace.
Through sports,
Through sports,
we shall strive
we shall strive
to build our character,
to build our character,
our body, and our mind
and our mind
for the glory of sport
for the glory of sport
and the honor of our school.
and the honor of our school.
Thank you for
He has some other work in Hyderabad. He will be reaching maybe towards the end of this day. I just want to leave two things with you. First of all, I would like you to know that you belong to Don Bosco family. And all of you are brothers and sisters. You are gathered here to demonstrate or exhibit your talents. So enjoy the day and make friends with each other. That is very important thing. You should carry this experience with you, very positive things with you. The sports meet. Don Bosco did not have all these opportunities during his time, but he worked very hard. He showed a lot of interest in learning things. And he always learned things to help others. And you know, Don Bosco started the schools. In 133 countries, we have almost 3,000 schools. All these schools belong to one family, not just Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Orissa. In India too, we have 350 institutions of Don Bosco. We are one family. So remember this, like Don Bosco, you too work hard, learn things for the good of our society. Honest citizens and God-fearing people. That is our aim. Wish you all the best. Have a nice day. I would like to also congratulate the organizers, Father Chinnappa and his team, and Father George, who is the host of this sports meet. We thank them in the name of our province, in the name of all of us who are present here. Once again, wishing you all the best. Have a beautiful, wonderful experience today. See you in the evening.
And Reverend Father V.M. George, our correspondent, and Reverend Father Chinnappa, Don Bosco Schools coordinate to release the balloons.
In the name of Don Bosco, I declare the sports meet open.
Let us move and
requested not to enter the track field except the students, the participants. And pay attention to all the announcements which will be going on to make the sports day smooth. And all the PTs, make sure that your children on time for the track and events. And let us all together, the principals, PTs, and all the sportsmen will make this day a victory by listening or being obedient to the umpires. I wish all the best for everyone. Thank you.
Eager and the hearts are filled with cheer. With heart full of sportsmanship and smiles full of Bosco joy, we officially kickstart the Don Bosco Inter-School Sports Meet 2025. Let's play, let's cheer, and let's make the day unforgettable. Thank you and all the best for every participant.
Please all of you stand up.
Hello sir, arrange the track lights.
I request all the participants. I request all the participants.
రావాలి జొన్న కొట్టుకున్నా అసలు అటుపక్కకి వెళ్ళిపోతే అసలు రాదు. మా అన్నలకు వచ్చేస్తే స్టార్ట్ అయ్యారు బా.
Come on, boys and girls, let's Team number 2, 100 junior boys.
ఏ గోపి
Team number 2 is ready. Muniguda. Muniguda, 1006 Mangalgiri Telugu Medium, 1301 Muniguda. This is the second call. (803) Bandlaguda, 1006. and the great chess.
The participant Prasad Yogi is qualified. And Zero Koilula has secured first place.
6.02 meters.
దయచేసి పీటీ వాళ్ళ
అన్నా అది అట్టిలో లోపలి 2 రౌండ్లుగా
And you can see the participants running at the top speed as they almost at the finish line. And retake.
ఇదే ముందులో పడను
And next is number 3. I request all the participants to number 3 number.
హలో శ్రీనివాస స్టేట్ టీవీ మాస్టర్ ఫైనల్ రిజల్ట్ అయిన తర్వాత ఇమీడియట్గా తీసుకొచ్చి ఇక్కడ రిపోర్ట్ చేయాలి స్టేజ్ దగ్గర ప్రవీణ మేడం అంటే వాళ్ళకి రిపోర్ట్ చేయాలి శ్రీనివాస
Those who are not there participants, kindly report back to the classroom.
And the races have done in the first lap. Almost at the finishing point. Just a few steps away. Running in from various schools to get ready at the starting point.
Senior boys.
Junior guys 200 participants to come at the starting point inside the track.
116.
So we have 3 portions. First one is on your mark, next one is set, and then gun fire.
Shotput Junior Residence or Registration or Registration. I request short boys to please report and the short put point immediately.
Junior boys to 200 meters. Audience. Congratulations. Attention please. We are now watching the moments of running. Let's give them a good round of applause. Shalmukh Sai Venkat.
118 హ్యాండ్ ట్రై చేయండి నేను చెప్తాను 149 151
Final call for 603 Vaira.
211
1202 Gundupalli CBSE. Gate number 3 1202.
4 kgs 3 trails. 3 trails
Now heat 1 903 Punganur K Tarun Sai. Immediately report near the
The gunfire, you should start the run. Okay? Understand?
Lane number 2203, 1206, 90.
We are now witnessing the race of Stand in order 117, 118, 149. Senior boys 200 meters running race. The final three. For the finals, senior boys 400 meters. Get ready, attention.
Is in the circle, is about to throw. Circle. For shot put junior boys from Bandlaguda. And he threw a distance. Circle of the shot put juniors. Rajveer Yadav 1311 from Manigunda. Please report at the shot put point immediately.
I request kindly come to the ground. 100 meters, please report the ground.
709 Nalgonda, 311 Moti Nagar, 1306 Muniguda.
Madam, you stay with that sir.
चल दा
One
మీరందరూ కూడా దయచేసి సెకండ్ ఓన్లీ పార్టిసిపెంట్స్ మాత్రమే ఇన్ ట్రాక్ లో రావాలి. దయచేసి ప్లీజ్ కోఆపరేట్.
అమ్మా
It's a very good start. And the child is right now on the track. And it's a solid child. And the distance.
And then javelin throw. Only
And the third training for the long jump, senior boys is ready. Gave a distance of 3.9 to the ICSC. Has jumped 3.4 meters. Is ready in his feet. It's a great start. In his track. It's a good Modi Nagar is in the track. Airborne is on the track. He's from Gundupalli CDSC. Big number 508 is on track. He's from Maria. Big number 605. The track. It's a very good start. It's really a very good start. And a very lead Nami sir. I request everyone to please have your lunch. Please go for lunch.
Boys and girls, those athletes who came, kindly go for lunch. Don't be here around. Lunch will be served of the sports that are pending. Kindly complete your lunch. Do the hand wash and come for lunch. Don't be here around. Kindly go for lunch immediately. After 10-15 minutes, lunch will not be served.
Mangalagiri ICSC 1010 Mangalagiri Telugu Medium. I request all these athletes to please report.
పెట్టామని తెలియాలిగా లేదా అబ్జెక్షన్ పెడతారు.
the attention is of boys only. The scoreboard of girls yet to come.
Those of you who are seated on the chairs, can you kindly push your chairs behind? Others can squat on the ground. So those who are on the chairs, kindly take your chairs and please move back.
Line touch అయితే
Running with the great effort.
Rosemary and Shori Karen.
line touch అయితే
Running with the great effort.
లైన్ టచ్ అయితే ఫౌల్.
Very focused.
Please get ready. Wow! It is a ferocious heat number 1. 820, 822. Bib number 318, 309. With bib number 1106 from Ravulapalam.
Hey brother.
It is a good throw and the distance is
లైన్ టచ్ అయితే ఫౌల్.
Running with the great effort.
Tirupati State Board. That's a good throw and and the distance is and the distance is and the, it is a
9520 Mariapuram 5
It's a good throw and the distance is it's a good
of junior boys, and you can see the boys moving in rapid stride. Clean handover of battle. Well done, ball. We are watching junior boys, team number 2, 4 into It was a clean handover of the battle.
Third person track is now through.
And it was done very good. Right now we are watching an exciting exciting 40 to 100 meters relay of senior boys. It was a perfect exchange of shots and they are picking up their series heading towards the finish line. It was a good run, boys. All the time we are doing this. For the exchange of the battle, and it was we can see
So far, the score overall.
right now on the track we can
Clap your hands.
So sweet.
Yes, Mrs. Veena, the cheers, the laughter, the teamwork all made this day unforgettable. As the sun begins to set on this exciting day, it's time to celebrate the champions and bring our Don Bosco Inter-School Sports Meet 2025 to a joyful close.
We begin our valedictory function by lifting our hearts in gratitude to God for the blessings of this day.
Let's welcome the DBHS choir as they lead us with the hymn, We Are the Children of Don Bosco.
We request Reverend Father Chinnappa to do the honors with a traditional shawl and present to all the principals a traditional Kondapalli Bomma symbolizing the rich artistry and culture of Andhra Pradesh.
I'm glad that we have come to the end of today's program. And if the day had been wonderful, well planned, and we were able to gather together, it was because of the 13 principals who had put their heads together, contributed their share in giving training to you in sports and games. I think it is apt that we put our hands together and appreciate all the principals who are on the stage. And I take this chance to invite Father Provincial, Vice Provincial, Reverend Father Garlapati Michael Kishore to felicitate all our principals with a shawl as well as with a Kondapalli Bomma. Right now, at the very outset, I invite Father Vice Provincial to felicitate Father Sagar, the principal of Ravulapalam Don Bosco. Please come forward, dear Father. Father also will felicitate Father Johan, the Vice Principal of Nalgonda Don Bosco School. And a lot of cheers are coming from Nalgonda regiment. So we congratulate. Results are still awaited. Please don't celebrate before time. Appreciate Father Jaipal. Though he is not a correspondent, throughout the day he had been with his kids. That shows how much he loves Manipuram children. So we thank and congratulate Father Jaipal for his presence. Next for his presence, and he is also being given a Kondapalli Bomma as a token of our love and appreciation. Next, I now call upon Father Kishore to felicitate Father Nathan, the principal of Bandaguda CBSE Don Bosco School. So next honor goes to Reverend Father Jemson Nayak, Vice Principal of Muliguda Don Bosco School, ICSE School. We invite Father to receive the honors, and Father Vice Principal is doing the honors. Muliguda, kindly clap hands for your father and appreciate wherever you are. Next, our appreciation and felicitation goes to Reverend Father Bhaskar, the Principal of CBSE Executive Committee that has worked for today. So I invite Father to do the felicitation for Father Bhaskar, and one of the teachers is also presenting a gift for Father. Next, we invite hands and appreciate Father Prakash for all the hard work that Father has done. Father was in charge for food and accommodation, and Father has done it really well. We thank and appreciate Father. Next, I appreciate upon Father to receive the honors. Dear friends, together with all the principals and vice principals who are present here, we also have Sister Kiran, FMS sister. We are very glad that you are here with us. May now call upon Father Vice Provincial.
Take the privilege of inviting our Father Chinnappa, who is being here for since morning and is a delegate for all the schools in the province. I invite Manandari Bomma, Kondapalli Bomma. I invite Father to hand over Manandari Bomma, Kondapalli Bomma.
Sister, staff, coaches, referees, and my dear children, are you happy? I think at the end of the day you are very happy. You can see on your faces. Okay. What can I say? The Don Bosco School, Gurudala, when we started this school, we had 500 children. And during the intervals and lunch break, they used to go to the ground, running here and there, and many of them falling because they did not have possibility in other schools and at home to run. So they were not able to run steadily. They were falling and getting wounded. But slowly after 2-3 months, they started running really well. It's because Don Bosco schools provide grounds for practice, for playing, and for enjoying. And some parents came and told me also, I think Father Bhaskar also vouches me, this school gave good health to their children. Those children who were getting sick regularly, they became healthy because they had possibility for exercise, running around in the grounds. My dear children, sports and games will help you to be strong. It will help also to have good health. And it will also help you to be disciplined and be focused. So don't give up. I know many of our schools, we give this training only just before sports day or games day. But you should train yourselves every day. I request all the principals and also PET teachers of our schools to have this training every day. Prepare them well. This will help them also to get good jobs in the future. Will you do that? Principals here. Some are saying they are doing already, but I know in some schools they are not doing. So we should do every day this fact, especially those who are good in running and other events. You should train them well, give them possibility to exercise every day. And also said, play, jump and run, but don't commit sin. You know, those who are into games, usually they don't get into bad habits. They're always disciplined. So, you don't give up your exercise. Even when you don't have possibility, search for the possibilities and play. Exercise every day. I believe today you have already found some friends among other schools. You are not enemies. You are family members. You are children of Don Bosco. Our choir sang, we are the children of Don Bosco. Wherever go in the world, you will find Don Bosco institutions and you are part of the Salesian family, Don Bosco's family. Once again, I congratulate all of you, not only those who won, but also all those who participated. Because participation is more important than just winning the medals. Yes, we are happy to win the medals, but participation is very important. The spirit of participation, collaboration, cooperation, working together as a team, these are the values you should learn from these experiences. So, my dear children, once again, wish you all the best. God bless you all. And I take this opportunity also to thank all our principals. They have taken interest in training you and bringing you here. And especially I would like to thank Chinappa and his team, executive team, two principals of Don Bosco schools here, Father Sandeep and Father Prakash and Father Bhaskar, who were here together organizing and preparing the place. And especially this community under the leadership of Father George, they have done well. They have seen, beautifully prepared the place and food is arranged well. And all these arrangements are done well. The decorations, the other arrangements, they have done really well. In the name of the province and our provincial, I would like to thank the community, Father George and Father Prakash and Father Sandeep for hosting this event. All of us are very happy. I called Father Provincial and informed him already. He is not able to reach, he is still on the way. But he is very much interested in knowing what is happening here. So I informed him about this. So I take this opportunity once again to wish you all the best for the future and thank God also for giving us this opportunity. I thank also the coaches, PEDs, all the teachers of Don Bosco schools here who are here to help us. NCC children, they were here guiding everybody, and all of the sound system, tent and other food department, and all of you, I thank you very much in the name of our province, in the name of Don Bosco. Thank you.
Thank you for celebration of excellence, discipline and perseverance.
Yes, the time has come to honor our winners who gave their best in the field today. We invite Reverend Father Chinappa to lead the prize distribution ceremony.
Father Vice Provincial to come forward to the podium to give away medals for the winners.
CBSE. Shot put junior boys, the first place is backed by Ganesh Nayak. Junior boys, the first place, Mohammad Mas from Motinagar. And the shot put junior boys, the first place by J. Ganesh Nayak from Nalgonda. Second place, J. Mohin from Vairapuram. And third, and next, 4x100 meters.
backed by B. Anji, S. Arvind.
Ready, sir, ready.
Place is backed by Bandlagura, Junior Boys, Bandlagura, and the participants are Salva Yesh Prithvi, Secret Pritish, Raj Rizal, Aditya Kiran, B. Gautam Jain. 100 meters running race, the first place, Tanvish Nagagupta from Bandlagura, second place, A. Sai Charan from Nalgonda, third place, A. Vinay from B. Jagan from Ravalapalam back first place, M. Jeshwant from Gurdana back second place, Bharat Mondikati from Nalgonda back third place.
Sir.
Senior boys shot put, the first place, Sheikh Riyan from Gurdana, second place, Abhishek Rao from Mangalgiri ICLC, third place, Rajesh from Nalgonda. G. Vinay from Ravalapalam, Adhiran Sam from Bandlagunda back second place, and the third place goes to Charan Kavadi from Nalgonda. Javelin throw, the first place is K. Naitik from Bandlagunda, second place P. Vikram Teja from Mariapuram, third place Bharat Mondikati from Nalgonda. 4x100 relay running place, senior boys, the first place is backed by Ravalapalam and D, and others are B. Jagan, G. Vinay, M. Kalyan, A. Vinay. I request others to come forward. Tavanish, Chetan Reddy, Syed Khushri, Adhiran Sam.
Sir,
Relay running race, senior boys, the third place is backed by Nalgonda, and athletes are Bharat Mondikandi, Charan Kavadi, and Vinay Kumar.
Okay, ready, sir. Okay. Sir, close, sir. Okay, ready, sir, ready. Sir, ready, sir.
I request Don Bosco School, Gurdana coach, to please come and receive the certificates.
Let's go, Raju.
Sir, ready.
Hey, point with sliding me.
The certificates.
Sir, ready. Sir, inside.
I request the coach of Bandlagura, request the coach of Modi Nagar to please come forward and receive the certificates.
60 points to Rahulapalam.
We invite the principal also to come to the stage together with the students and the coach. Please come forward to receive that. కప్పు లిఫ్ట్ చేసామా లేదా?
ఇంకోళ్ళు రమ్మని ఇటు వచ్చేమ్మా తీసుకోరా ఓకే కొంచెం నానా
Next Father Nishan is going to announce the second place overall championship. Father is going to announce.
Sir. Okay.
Every competition.
155 points. Bandlaguda Jagi.
All the students,
నుంచో పెడదాం ఒకసారి నుంచో పెడదాం ఫ్రంట్ రండి సార్ ఓకే రెడీ సార్ రెడీ రెడీ సార్ సార్
And now comes the most awaited announcement.
First place in 160 points. Kinapa. Nalgonda.
Vice Principal, Coach and students to come forward.
Appreciate the winning team with a big
Friends, we have come to the end of today's program. And if we don't say one word that is thank you, then this program has no meaning. Therefore, we are filled with gratitude to God for the wonderful way that God has blessed us today with such a wonderful ambience, climate and all the arrangements. We thank and praise God by giving Him big round of applause. Let us clap hands and thank God for the presents and blessings that we received. This evening for the mandatory function, we were supposed to get as chief guest Srimati Ilekya Garu, Joint Collector NTR District. She had agreed to come, but because of some emergency, she was not able to be present. But whatever it is, we thank her for her acceptance and willingness to come over to Don Bosco, and we will also pray for her. From morning till evening, we have the presence of Father Michael Kishore, our Vice Provincial. Let us put our hands together and thank Father for his presence, for the message, and for giving away the prizes. So we thank you, dear Father, for all that you have done to us during this day. From morning till evening, we also had the ambience of Don Bosco Guttupalli. It is because of the generosity of Father V.M. George, the rector of this institution. Let us put our hands together and appreciate Father for all that he had done for today. The two principals of Don Bosco CBSE and Don Bosco State Board School of Don Bosco Guttupalli, Father Prakash and Father Sandeep, they have done 100% work for this and they have given us such a wonderful day. Let us put our hands together and thank both the fathers for their organization and leading us forward. We also thank all the principals who are present on the stage. They have been present, they have been encouraging us, and because of their support we are here. So let us give to all our principals, vice principals, principals. A big round of applause and thank them. And dear friends, if I do not mention one person who has done a lot of hard work, I will be failing in my duty. And it is none other than Mr. Velankan Reddy, our PT and overall in charge for today's entire program. I now invite him to the stage, and I also call upon Father Vice Provincial to felicitate him with a shawl. Please come down, Father. Please come, sir. Ahead of time. And so many times he had to change the eats and pictures that were already fixed. And the entire playground arrangements, marking, organization, sir has done a wonderful work. I think we need to give him a big round of applause once again and appreciate Velankan sir for all that he has done to us. Another person who has worked hard for today is Mr. Balu sir, right from the beginning till now. Let's give him a big round of applause and appreciate sir, Mr. Balu for all that he has done. Vijay Lakshmi Garu, please come to the stage and receive felicitation from Father for planning, marking the grounds, preparing the grounds, and being the home host. They have done extra work, so we thank all the PETs for their presence. Luminary teacher, please come forward. Also, State Board PETs, Mr. Srinivas Rao and Mr. Luminary, please come forward, dear teachers. They will also receive a special honor and thanks from Father Vice Provincial by putting shawl around them.
Sir, ready, sir, ready?
Yes, State Board Guttupalli, please clap hands for your PETs. Arrange all the conveyance, bring them here. We also thank all the PETs. Let us put our hands together and appreciate all our PETs bringing your kids here. Let's give them a big round of applause. Special note of thanks to also Guttupalli CBSE teachers. Let us put our hands together. Bimani Don Bosco school teachers. Let us put our hands together and appreciate all these teachers who have tried for giving us a wonderful day this day. Together with all these teachers, we have these NCC students of CBSE school. Let us give them a big round of applause and appreciate the students. They have helped us to have a discipline in the school, organize and arrange everything. Let us put our hands together and appreciate NCC students of CBSE school. Together with the CBSE school, we also have several students of State Board school coming and arranging water, arranging all the placements, chairs and all that. Let us put our hands together and appreciate State Board school of Guttupalli, Don Bosco University officials. Let us put our hands together and appreciate our Acharya Nagarjuna University officials. They are getting trained for PET and all the teachers, they are present with us. And in a special way, Mr. Vinod sir for organizing, bringing your troop here, for organizing and judging everything properly. We thank you in a special way. Thank you for taking your time out to be with us. I also make this request, whenever we have some programs like Don Bosco Sports Meet or Games Meet, we will be requesting your support and help. Kindly render your help for all of us. Thank you, sir, for your presence. Dear friends, if we have enjoyed today's breakfast, lunch, and soon after this we also have some snacks, it is because of the food department under the leadership of Father Prakash, and Father also has seen to the accommodation part. And together with Father Prakash, we have Mr. Raju, who has helped us to provide good food. Let us put our hands together and appreciate Mr. Raju and his team for giving us sumptuous meal during breakfast as well as lunch. And some of you also are going to get your supper here. Hands together for providing wonderful sound system for all of us. We were able to sit under the shade of the tents, and we had Mr. Satish Garu who organized the tents. Let us put our hands together and appreciate Mr. Satish Garu. Photography, videography, drone cameras, we had them throughout the day, and they helped us a lot, especially in judging the events, especially the runs. and it was all held under the leadership of Mr. Hussain Garu. Let us give a big round of applause and appreciate Mr. Hussain Garu for the photography and videography that went throughout this day. Dear friends, if you have had a wonderful day, so many people have worked behind it. We are grateful to them, and when it is our turn to contribute, we will contribute our share. Thank you once again to one and all. If I have forgotten anybody, please, with a big heart, forgive me and accept our thanks, and have a wonderful evening. Thanks to one and all.
చివరినండి చేస్తున్నా లోనకి
అయిపోతే
ఇష్టం ఎదుగా ఉంటుంది
Hello, children, can you complete your lunch and maybe rest and take some rest? Afternoon events will be conducted from 1:15 onwards. 1:15 onwards, afternoon events will be conducted. In front of the sound box, please come to the sound box area. Yes, those students.
Students, eat well, no hurry, take your own time, and we have time to relax, and then we'll be starting at 2 o'clock. Our events will be starting at 2 o'clock. Relax and eat well. After eating, don't sleep.